If you give me the key, you're free to leave. If you're refusing to give me the key, you're gonna go to jail.
It's over there.
Go get it.
Ma'am, you're not free to leave.
Am I leaving? Oh!
On August 8, 2025, officers were dispatched to a home after the homeowner reported that a woman had been given a key to the home while she was on vacation. But instead of returning the key to its rightful owner, the woman used it to enter the home and began living there without permission.
Hey, it's police department. Hey, can you hear me?
Hey, yeah, I'm here on the camera. This is the owner.
Okay.
Is the white car there?
White Volkswagen, yes. No one's answering the door.
Yeah, that's their car, though.
Okay, hey, can you call me and give me a little info about what's going on here?
Okay.
Hey, is this Ms. Nelson?
Yes.
Hey, this is Officer Johnson.
Hi, Mr. Johnson. Yeah, that person who's in there is not supposed to be there. It's trespassing.
So, well, give me some backstory on what's the issue? Why is she here, and who is she? And I understand she's a friend or something, but
Yeah. So she was supposed to gave back my key.
so she used to live here?
No, she doesn't live there at all. I left on Monday, and I left my key with her so she could return it.
Okay.
But she never returned it.
So she doesn't live here. Why is she here now?
That's what I'm saying. That's why I'm calling for trespassing.
Okay. Who drives the black Infinity SUV?
Pounder Nelson. That's the owner of the house.
Are they here too, or no?
No, yeah, that car is not there.
So the only person here is supposed to be Liberty, or the only person here is Liberty.
Yeah.
And she's not supposed to be staying here. She's just supposed to return your key.
Right.
Okay.
But I've been away. I've been looking at my camera, and she's been in and out, and no, that can't happen.
Okay. So you're just wanting the key back, and you want her gone.
Yeah, get her stuff and the key.
She doesn't have any rights here.
No, at all.
And she's never lived here. She doesn't have any property here or anything like that.
No.
All right. Let me see if I can get her to answer the door. I've knocked, but nobody's answering. So.
Yeah, she's texting me now, so I don't know why she's not coming.
Well, tell her to come outside and talk to me. Liberty, it's the police department. Come out here and talk to me. Huh? I didn't call it out. I just put it in my computer. Yo, Liberty, come out here and talk to me. Hey, she's not answering our phone. Where are you at? Is there any way you can come here and we can open this door? Or?
Yeah, the extra key is actually in Perry. I have my mother on the way over there though.
Okay. Does she have a spare key by chance?
No.
Well.
Yeah, so I'm going to try to call Libby right now.
Yeah, tell her if she's inside to come out. If she's not in trouble, we just got to get the key and get her gone.
Yeah.
All right. Let me know.
All right.
Bye-bye. Oh, you want yours back? Your Liberty, we know. We've been knocking. So, Miss Nelson calls. She says you doesn't have rights to this property and you've been coming here all weekend. So she wants your key and she wants your trespass. You have the key?
It's in the house.
It's in the house?
Right.
Well, we need to go get it. What you pointing that way for?
It's over there.
Come on. Take me over there.
I don't gotta get nothing.
Huh?
Close my door, sir.
On August 8th, 2025, a trespassing complaint escalated into arrest, illustrating critical failures in legal understanding. Florida statute 810.08. Trespass occurs when someone remains in a structure without authorization after permission is revoked. The property owner's complaint gave Officer Johnson probable cause. Florida statute 901.15 authorizes warrantless arrest. The officer attempted de-escalation multiple times, returned the key, provide ID, and leave without arrest. Under Terry versus Ohio, lawful detention means you are not free to leave. Liberty's attempt to flee was unlawful. Liberty's claim of rights violation was legally wrong. Constitutional rights don't grant immunity from lawful police action. You can remain silent and request an attorney. You cannot refuse lawful detention or identification.
I have the right to
Hold on. Ma'am, you don't
Sir.
understand. You're not in control here, okay?
You
You're
are-
here illegally,
you
okay?
opened my door.
You are here
I had the
illegally.
key.
If you give me the key,
It's over there.
identify yourself, you're free to leave. If you're
over
refusing
there.
to give me the key,
I'm
you're
not.
going to go to jail.
It's over there.
Go get it.
It's over there. You was just over there. I didn't say I was going anywhere, did I? Do I?
Do not make this worse than it has to be. Do you understand?
Bro, the key's over there.
Then go get it.
You get the key released.
Okay.
And that's it. And then you go back to your business.
It's over there.
Make it seem difficult. You might be spending the night in jail today.
It's fine. All my problems be gone anyways.
Huh?
All my problems will be gone anyways.
You want to go to
I'm
jail?
gonna text my boss. I'm just telling y'all the key over there. I'm not.
And we're just asking you to go get it.
Okay, and I'm
That's
asking
it.
you it's over there.
So you're refusing to go get it.
I'm not
you're refusing to give it
anything.
up.
Whatever you trying to charge me with. I don't know.
You should go to jail in 10-12.
Go to jail because I won't get the key.
That's absolutely right. It's that simple.
Hello.
Hey, we're here with her. She's playing hard-headed. Are you? What are you wanting to do? She's saying the key's somewhere in the house, but I mean,
She don't know. She need to find the key.
you're not here to give us authority to go in the house, and we can't verify anything. So, are you the owner of this house? You the renter or what?
Yeah, I am.
Yep.
I inherited the house.
You inherited the
Tell her
house.
she's not going to. Did you tell her she's not going to jail?
Well, I mean, if
Because-
she don't give the key up and you want her to go to jail, she's going to go to jail. Unless you think she left it in the house. And
No, just give.
yeah, she's pointing over there somewhere, and I told her to go get it, and she's refusing. So you tell me what you want me to do.
Why is she refusing to get?
I have no idea. I've just met her. I don't know.
She just said she gave y'all the key.
She hasn't given us anything. I'm standing here with her watching the other officer. She's not giving us the key.
So,
She's texting you that she just gave us the key?
yeah.
Okay, we're
Yeah.
standing here watching her. She's not give us the key. She's sitting there in her car, so.
So she went out the back door.
No, she's right here. She came out the front door.
Yeah, she had the key last night. So
Yeah, she came out of the house. We saw her come out of the house, so.
yeah, I seen her go in on the camera.
But what do you want us to do?
It's on the chair by the door. She said it's on the chair by the door.
Okay. Are you good with that?
I need verification that it's there.
Well, we're asking her to go get it, and she's refusing, so. If it's not there, what do you want us to do?
Take me to jail. Big fat white guy.
Ma'am, you're not free to leave.
Am I leaving?
You're not free.
Am I leaving?
Put your car in park, man.
Am I leaving?
Don't touch me. Don't you touch me. Turn your car off, man.
Am I leaving?
Turn your car off.
Please don't do that.
Right now, you're under arrest. Put your car in park. Put your car in park, man. Come on, you're under arrest. Don't move that car, man.
Am I gonna go anywhere? The police
my
car. How
God.
am I gonna go anywhere?
Ma'am, put your car in
He got
park.
his key.
Ma'am, put your car in park. Put your car in park.
There's an orange key here.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Are you satisfied?
Yeah, I'm satisfied. Could you make sure that there's no vandalism in the house?
I mean, how could I tell? The windows are busted.
Oh shit. Yeah, I know.
So.
Yeah, I have
All right. You want her trespass from here?
That'll be
I'm saying what
Yeah,
what I'll do is tell her if she comes back here, she could go to jail, and I will write up a report.
yeah, do that, and then the Chrysler, my mother, she's on the way right now to go and get the key.
Okay. Sounds good.
Hey, she's under arrest now, man. Put your car in park, man. Put your car in park, man. Okay.
You got your key?
Put your car in park. You know you're under arrest now. You're not leaving him now. You didn't hit me with your car. Hit me with your
I did not hit you with my car.
Yes, you did. Put your car in park.
Ma'am, put your car in park.
Put your car in park, man.
You reaching out in my vehicle.
Put your car in park, man.
Give me 1 second. Do not snatch stuff out my hand.
Florida statute 843.02, resisting an officer without violence. Each refusal creates a separate charge. Liberty pulled away multiple times, generating 3 separate counts. Each carries up to 1 year jail. Graham versus Connor requires force be objectively reasonable. Officer Johnson used only minimal hand control despite prolonged resistance.
Can you stop?
Get out the car.
Stop! What the fuck is going on?
Get out the car.
Sir,
Get out the car, man.
you breaking my
Get the car. Get out of the car. On the ground.
Ow! Thank you, crazy.
Get up.
I am getting up.
Catch your feet.
I don't even have no shoes. I'm not getting up without my shoes.
You too old to be acting like this, man.
I don't have my
Ma'am, you
shoes.
can either get up and walk to this car, or we're gonna drag you to it.
Acting like a real little girl, man. Get up. Get up, man.
Ow!
Get
Right.
up.
Ow!
Sit down, or he's going over there to snatch you.
Can I
And
fix
it's
my
going
clothes?
to hurt.
Can I fix my clothes?
Have a seat.
Can I fix my
Ma'am,
clothes?
have a seat. Jesus Christ Almighty. I'll get her car towed. She's out of town, so. But mom's on the way, so.
Her mom?
No, the owner's mom. She gave her this key to give back to her mom this week
She was never
because she was leaving to go out of town. Never given permission. She was only given this to give back to mom. And then she started using this all weekend, coming and going. So the owner's out of town, sees it on the camera, calls us, says, hey, she's in there, I want her gone. Like, she doesn't live there, she doesn't have any property there. The house is beat to crap. I don't think anybody actually lives in there.
You been inside?
I didn't go in and look around, but the windows are busted here. They're boarded up down there on that side. The back windows are all boarded up. She said, so if she's willing to give up the key, then just trespass her. If she's not, then yeah, I will press charges. And that's when you were like, she hit me with a car. So. She ready for all this.
What are you telling me?
Dang.
How did she roll the window up on my heart, actually?
Yeah.
I told her, don't.
Just made it worse and worse. Hey, your vehicle's being towed. We should let you know before you get to the jail who the tow company will be.
Why are you taking me to jail?
That's right. I'm gonna give you the key, right? Your daughter's on the phone. I'm gonna give her the rundown on what just happened. So,
Okay.
yeah. So we were talking to her as I walked over to get the key. She backed up and hit an officer with her car. So we had to actually drag her out of her car, and now she's on the way to jail. I am going to tow this vehicle.
Officer Johnson, grade B+, strong legal compliance, clear communication, excellent de-escalation, appropriate minimal force. Minor deduction. Earlier explicit detention statement could have prevented extended arguments. Liberty, grade D-, asserted non-existent rights, refused simple lawful commands, actively escalated the situation. What could have been resolved in minutes with no charges became 3 criminal counts and vehicle impoundment. Critical lessons. First, once property permission is revoked through police, you must leave immediately. Second, lawful detention means you're not free to leave. Attempting to flee creates additional charges. Third, each act of resistance is a separate offense, even without violence. Fourth, constitutional rights protect against unreasonable action, not lawful police orders. Fifth, challenge police authority in court with an attorney, never on the street through non-compliance.
Are you want her charged with trespassing?
No, you don't have to charge her with trespassing.
Okay. All right. Yeah, she's facing big girl charges now. So.
Wow.
Okay. Can you do you have your ID on you?
Me?
No.
Oh, okay.
Miss Nelson.
Yeah,
Hey, can you send me a picture of your ID card?
yeah.
That'll be the easiest way to get your information. So.
Oh, for what is it for?
For the report, for the reason you called us.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And I do have a new one coming in the mail, but it does have this one does have my information on it.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's just the easiest way is send it with your DO number on it and all that. So, now how did she end up with the key? You gave it to her to give to mom?
Yeah, I was there with her on Monday. I just got back from out of town, and when I left Monday, I told her to leave Monday.
Yeah.
And give her the key on Monday. All this is in the text messages to give my grandmother her key when she got the chance. And she just never left. I've been looking at the camera. I'm like, well, damn.
Right.
And then I seen her today at 4 o'clock in the morning coming in and out and had another stranger in there. So I'm just like, oh yeah, it's time to go.
Okay. All right. Sounds good. Well, yeah, send me a picture of your ID and we'll get it taken care of. Unless you're okay with her vehicle being here on the property. I mean, I'm going to have to tow it.
Nah, you can leave the vehicle there.
I wouldn't do that. Have you talked to your dad?
No. Actually, I'm trying to keep this away from him. That's why I have to have everything.
So yes, you need to get her car towed.
Okay.
Because that's gonna be his first question. What car is this?
Okay. I'm standing up right now, officer.
Okay, perfect.
Alright.
All right, I'll hit you back if I need something else, okay?
Yeah, because do you know that I have a new number, a new license number. That's what I was trying to say.
Just if you'll send me the one you have, I can pull the new one off the one you have.
Okay, good.
All right.
Alright.
Oh,
All right, bye. All right, Mom. Yeah, I guess you heard everything.
Yes.
So
Thank you so much for your assistance, because I was like, oh my God.
that's the key there. I haven't been inside to see if anything's damaged.
Yeah.
Of course, I wouldn't know, but looks like the windows and stuff's kind of
Yeah,
busted
she
out
already
already.
has he has damage from his son damaging the house, unfortunately.
Liberty faced 3 counts of resisting, maximum 3 years jail and $3,000 if sentenced consecutively. Typical outcomes for first-time nonviolent offenders: probation, fines, or diversion programs. However, 3 separate counts indicate a pattern prosecutors view unfavorably. This case demonstrates professional policing with appropriate authority and minimal force. It also shows how legal misunderstanding transforms minor civil matters into serious criminal cases. Let us know what legal topic you'd like us to discuss in the comments. Thank you for watching.